Hello, hi everyone. Wishing everyone a very, very happy Diwali, a very prosperous Diwali. May this Diwali bring lots of money, lots of bull run in the market, lots of health, lots of happiness, and of course, less of macro tensions so that the market can continue to grow well. So, I'm wishing you, Dil Se, a very, very happy Diwali. Okay, now we'll talk about some stocks. Of course, we'll do this Muhurat trading on Diwali day. I always do it, and generally that's considered to be lucky. The Muhurat trading will begin from the session will begin from 6 in the evening to about so it's about 1 hour thing. So 7:15 something. The trading can 6 is the pre-opening thing. 6:15 onwards you can start placing your orders. Don't do it in a hurry because then it gets stuck. That's what I've experienced. So today I'll talk about some Diwali picks which you can trade on the Muhurat day, and these are some stocks which from Diwali to Diwali. I'm keeping in mind Diwali to Diwali. It is not about 3-4 weeks or coming 2 months or 3 months or something like that thing. So these are the stocks which are which from this Diwali, from Samvat 2080 to Samvat 2081. Okay, so these are 1 year kind of stories. These are long term stocks. So, please use your discretion before investing, and do talk to your consultant before buying these. Little detail in those stocks and why I'm recommending these stocks. Okay, so the first stock is Sona BLW Precision. Okay, now this is a stock which has done well. This company has done well, and if you want to play with that EV theory, okay, so this is a good thing. Also, they are into these auto parts and all that. They are into this auto ancillary thing. So autos are doing well, auto sector is doing well, so this stock is also doing well. Also, this is also a participant in the EV theory, so that's why this stock is doing well. The company is engaged in designing, manufacturing, supplying engineered automotive systems and components, differential assemblies, gears, conventional and micro hybrid motors, EV traction motors across vehicle. Okay, they are also suppliers in the global market. Okay, so now the ROC of the company is 22% and the ROE of the stock is 18.3%. Okay, the face value of the stock is 10 rupees. Okay, today the stock is trading at 566 rupees. It's 0.6% up today. And if I look at the chart, then in the last 1 year, last November, it was around 459 rupees, and it is now at 562 rupees. So this has consistently done well. It dipped a little bit in March. It went up to 406, and after that it has risen. If I compare with the peers, then it is better than Bosch. It is better than Samvardhana Motherson. Definitely better. And also Uno Minda से भी better है. Okay, if I look at the quarterly results, the company declared a good quarter two, from 112 crore rupees net profit to 124 crore rupees net profit. Okay, if I look at the year on year thing, then also the profit went up 395 crore rupees to 463 crore rupees. Okay, return on equity has been consistent. In the last 3 years, it has given 19% of return, and the last year the return on equity was 18%. Okay, so only dipped a little bit in between, and the shareholding pattern is a little shaky. FIIs own around 33% in the company. Promoters have only 29% of stake in the company. Okay, the FIIs have put a lot of money in this stock. Okay, and the management was also very very sure about the coming quarters actually, and also the export of their parts, auto parts. Okay, so this was Sona BLW. The next stock is Dixon Tech. Okay, Dixon Technologies is a good stock. I have personally invested in this stock, and today the stock is down. It is around 5,341. It's a little down today. ROC of the company is 24.2%, and ROE of the stock is around 22.4%. The face value of the stock is 2 rupees, so it's very highly priced. Dixon is into a lot of things, and it is focused majorly solutions engaged in the manufacturing consumer durables, lightings, mobile phones, and all that. It has actually Xiaomi has increased its order to this company recently. The management was very positive about it. They're also tying up with a major laptop manufacturer, okay, top three in the world. The management was very positive about that. Also, they are into LED TVs, home appliances like washing machines, LED bulbs, tube lights down. So you can see they are into a lot of things, okay? CCTV, medical equipment, and all that. If I look at it from 1 year perspective, then the stock was trading at around 4539 last November 9. I'm making this video on November 9, and now this year it is up. Okay, in between it dipped a little bit up to 2721. That was in January. Okay, and actually someone would have bought at that time. It was a good thing, and then that dip was bought into, backed by volumes. Okay, so company has definitely reduced its debt, and the median sales have grown 15.7% in the last 10 years. If I compare with the peers, then its ROC is better than most of its peers. Okay, actually it's the best ROC. BPL, Sharp India, Salora, all are into negative actually. Okay, BPL is not in negative, so its ROC is around 24.18. Early results, it reported a very good, excellent quarter. Net profit has gone up from 67 crore rupees to 113 crore rupees, and its operating profit is also from 132 crore rupees to 199 crore rupees. Other incomes have also gone up, and if we look at the year-on-year thing, then also its net profit has gone up from 255 crore rupees to 313 crore rupees. Okay, return on equity is good, 23% for the last 3 years and 22% in the last 1 year. Other investments have also grown, and its other assets have also grown over the years. Okay, so this is a good company. They are into so much of manufacturing. Manufacturing laptops will also be there. Mobile phones, that is a major contributor in their income. Mobile phones, it's like bread and butter. Okay, so shareholding pattern 33%, which is the highest, is with the promoters. The next is with the DIIs, who hold around 27% of the stake in the company, and then the public holds around 23% of the stake in the company. Okay, so this is Dixon Tech. You can think about buying it during the Muhurat trading. I hope it corrects a little bit more, so it's easy to buy. The next one is Masgaon. Okay, now this is this shipbuilding company. This has done exceptionally well, and in fact some experts also say that this has become extremely expensive now. You can still buy it because there's still more upside left to it. Okay, 2032 is what it is trading at today. It's 2% up. ROC of the company is 38.2%. ROE is 28.6%. Return on equity has been good. Constructs vessels and warships and submarines and all those things. And as we know that the government is now pushing more and more into defense thing, and with these wars and all happening, these investments are likely to only go up. And this Make in India thing and Atmanirbhar thing happening, that is why the stock climbed actually. Okay, so last November it was around 808, and see today it is at this 2033 level. So it's actually climbed a lot. If we look at the peers, then its ROC is only is actually one of the best. Okay, Garden Reach is the another one. Cochin Shipyard is also good stock, but I like this of the lot. Look at the quarterly results, then net profit has gone up. It reported a good profit, 287 crore rupees to 313 crore rupees. Actually dipped a little bit in the last quarter. Actually that was the right time to buy. Stock corrected a little bit, and now if you look at the year-on-year thing, then also from 1073 crore rupees to 1255 crore rupees is the net profit. Return on equity is 23% for the last 3 years, and last year it was 29%. Whopping. Assets of the company have grown, and reserves have also gone up. Okay, so it also has money on hands. Shareholding pattern, promoters have 84.8% in the company, and the next highest are the public, which has 11.10%. So Masgaon Dock is a good stock, and this is Diwali to Diwali. There are many experts who are giving their own stock picks, but if they are short term, this is Diwali to Diwali. You can buy them and hold them. Next one is Havels. Okay, how can we forget a wiring and cables company? Okay, we know the Polycab story. If you can buy Polycab, nothing like it has become very expensive, Polycab. But Havels is, if you have not bought, and this is a little cheaper one. So Havels is today trading at 1255. It is 0.23% up today. ROE is around 17%, and ROC of the company is around 22 point some percent. It's a leading fast moving electrical goods company, as you know Havels wire and all that stuff. Industrial domestic circuit protection, cables, wires, motors, fans. So they also started making fans and all that. Home appliances, the Havels, they're also into now these home appliances, air conditioners, electric water heaters, domestic and commercial industrial appliances. So they have also widened their spectrum of products. So the stock has also gone up. It has from 1203. It has actually ceased correcting 1249. In between, it was actually really up. It was around 1450 in September. Then it has come down a little bit. It had come down a little bit because of weak quarters. Actually, last September and December quarters were a little weak, and after that, it is again now gradually climbing. So its net profit is actually down from 287 crore rupees to 249 crore rupees. This is Q on Q, and if we look at the yearly thing, then it has gone up from 1072 crore rupees to 1178 crore rupees. But now this is also less than March 2022 thing, quarter 4 of the last year, but still it's going up. Okay, I have this stock. I also bought this stock, and I'm holding on to the stock. Return on equity is 20% for the last 3 years. Actually, last 5 years it is 19%. So this is like steady stock. Last year it was around 17%. So total assets of the company have come down a little bit, but it's okay. Okay, it's not a very thing to worry about. Shareholding pattern, 59.4% is with the promoters, and next highest are the FIIs, which have around 24.19% of the stake in the company. Okay, so Havels is a good stock. It's a decent stock, and if you want to invest in cables and wires and you can't buy Polycaps, you can get into this. Actually, KEI is also a good stock if you want to invest in cables and wires thing. It also has delivered a very good strong quarter two. So you also think about that stock. Okay, the last stock I want to talk about is Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, this is a bank stock. I didn't have any bank stock because we know the stocks, we know those stocks. Okay, ICICI, IndusInd, Axis. The whole year we've been talking about them. So that's why I didn't put them in this list. These are some stocks which you can think about. We still have 3 days to go before Diwali when I'm making this video. So you can research on these stocks and you can take your call. So Bank of Maharashtra is today at 43 rupees. It's actually down 1%. ROE has given good ROE. Return on equity has been really good, 17.4%. Surprise package kind of thing. PSU stocks have been doing well, but somehow this didn't grab that much attention as much Bank of Baroda and others did. So they are into this wholesale banking and retail banking and other banking things. If you look at the chart, it has a very interesting chart. Last year and on 9th November, it was trading at around 23 rupees. And today it is 43 rupees. So it has slowly gone up with volumes. Okay, it's expected to give a good quarter. This also delivered a good quarter 4. Okay, deposits are up. Its slippages are down. If we compare the ROCE, it has a decent ROCE of 4.4%, and actually it's the cheapest in all these except IOB. Quarterly results, as I said, net profit has been consistently going up from, I'll tell you from when, since September 2020. They have been consistently going up. I'll tell you the figure. Its net profit was around 142 crore rupees, and it has actually not looked back since then. This quarter two, 920 crore rupees is the profit, and last quarter it was around 884 crore rupees. And if you look at the yearly thing, then from 2006 crore rupees to 2003, 3421 crore rupees. Okay, and here also it has just gone up. Okay, return on equity has been, for the last 3 years, has been 11%, and last year was 17%. Okay, so this is a good bank, bank stock, PSU bank stock. Promoters have 86% of stake in the company. Next highest is the public, which is around 7.6%, and DIIs have increased their stake in the company to 5.17%. Okay, so now this is Bank of Maharashtra. Do study this stock. This is a good buy. It's a chota buy if you want to do the shagun and the bonus thing. It's only 43 rupees. So 4,000 ka bhi agar le liya, suppose. So this is a good buy. Okay, so this is a list of the stocks which you can buy for your Muhurat trading, which begins at 6:15 on the 12th of November. And wishing you a very happy Diwali. Hope you make lots of money, and even I would be trading in that. And I would probably buy Bank of Maharashtra. I think so, because cheap stock hai, and not a penny stock. It's a good company. It's a good bank. It has a solid balance sheet. It has credentials to, fundamentals अच्छा है, technical अच्छा है. So this is a good stock. Okay, so I just sign off here, and I'll see you post Diwali, and have a great one and enjoy.